Its complexity, confused abundance of customization settings, resource usage, and support responsiveness might only be suitable for some users, but fret not. Focus on this detailed review to unlock the top 11 alternatives to Solid Explorer. Top 1. Best Solid Explorer Alternative Assistant for Android. When it comes to finding the best alternatives to Solid Explorer File Manager, it is highly recommended to prioritize computer-based data management tools, like Mobikin Assistant for Android. Top 2. Files by Google. Files by Google is a file management app that helps you free up space, find files, and share them efficiently. It offers cleanup recommendations, simple navigation, and search features for quick file finding. Top 3. Total Commander. Total Commander is one of the leading device file manager replacements for Solid Explorer for Windows, Android, and Android tablet users. Top 4. ES File Explorer. Want to explore your SD card or manage files on your Android phone without a computer? ES File Explorer is admirable. It's one of the best file browsers, compatible with nearly every Android version, and lightweight. Top 5. File Manager Plus. Another similar app to Solid Explorer for file management is File Manager Plus. This one offers basic features like copy, cut, paste, delete, rename, compress, decompress, transfer, download, and bookmark. Top 6. FX File Explorer. FX File Explorer offers a material design UI and innovative file transfer methods between devices and computers. Its usage view mode displays folder sizes and content makeup as you manage files. Top 7. Root Explorer. Root Explorer serves as the ultimate file manager designed specifically for root users, granting them complete access to the entire Android file system, including secure areas. Top 8. Amaze File Manager. Amaze File Manager is an open-source file manager app for Android devices. This tool offers multiple customizable themes with unique colors, widgets, and icons. Top 9. MiXplorer. MiXplorer is a fast, free, and ad-free file management software alternative to Solid Explorer. It's ideal for personal device management, offering advanced customization options like color selection. Top 10. X-plore. X-plore File Manager offers a unique dual-pane explorer with a tree view for easy navigation. Top 11. CX File Explorer. CX File Explorer stands out among file manager apps with its comprehensive feature set,